Hi, welcome to my newsletter. Thank you so much for signing up. For those of you who are a part of the QKatie community, hey, good to see you. Thanks for joining. For those of you who are like, I like food and travel, I'll give this Katie girl a shot. Thank you for giving me a shot. Thank you for signing up for the newsletter. I envision this to be kind of like the best of all of my content. So I have a YouTube channel, I have a podcast, I write articles, of course there's the normal Instagram stuff, and I'm going to put the best of all that stuff in this monthly newsletter. In addition to exciting stuff going on, big news, and there is some big news coming up, so y'all hear it first. Also just like random things I hear around the internet or see or watch or read on the interwebs that I think is really interesting or inspiring and that I want to share with all of you, because guess what? You all inspire me. So see how that feedback loop happens? I am from a small town in Ohio. I lived in New York City for a decade and I'm currently living in London, England. I'm loving living here and exploring Europe. In fact, travel is one of my favorite things. Food, travel, creativity, entrepreneurship, these are all things that I find endlessly fascinating, and these are the things I tackle in my content. If you have any suggestions for what you want to see in this newsletter, leave a little comment below. I would love to hear from you, and I'll see you guys back here soon. Bye.